A yoga retreat is really about having the time to go inward. Take the time to have a regular daily meditation and physical practice depending on the retreat you attend. The experience of being outside in nature, whether the mountains, the beach, or the forest. Having the opportunity to be without the distractions of the day-to-day life. Of course, we can find that inner peace, washing the dishes, driving our kids to work, or in a regular studio yoga class. And yet, in a yoga retreat, there is that extra opportunity to be with like-minded people, engaging on a daily level with opportunities, practices, and experiences